Today we will get to know how to design a website that is free of cost. I am using ByteHost, that is a free web hosting space provider. Here we will try to create a free WordPress website. To create a free WordPress website, we need to sign up for free hosting. Click here. You will land to this page, sign up for free hosting. Here you need to choose domain name of your website, password, email address, site category, site language, and the security code. Let's do that. I am going to put the name of my YouTube channel. So my YouTube channel name is Codecraft Academy. I am going to put the Codecraft Academy as a domain name. Select a password. Put the email ID which you want to use. I am going to use my personal email ID. Select the category. I am going to use the personal category. Site language, by default it is English, so I am going to use the English language. Put the security code here. Then click on the register. After successful registration, you will get this message. An activation email has been sent to your email ID. Please click on the activation link and activate this account. So we need to go to our email and we need to activate this account. So I am going to my email address. Email can take up to 10 minutes to get into your inbox. Please wait and check for the email. If the email is not in your inbox directly, then check the spam, as this email came to my spam inbox, and click on the link that is given in the email to activate the account. After activation, you will get the host information of your website. You need to save this host information safely with you. I am going to copy this information and going to save in my notepad. This information is required to log in into the cPanel. Now we will log in into the cPanel. If you will click this link, this is the address of your website. We are going to open it into the new tab and see what we have. Our website hosting space is ready. Click on this link. This is the cPanel link. Open it into the new tab. This is the control panel username. Copy this name, paste here, and put the password that you have assigned while the account creation. Then hit the login. After successful login, you will land to this page. Carefully read the information provided on this page and take your action accordingly. After your action, it will load the control panel. From this control panel, we will install the WordPress. WordPress is a tool to design the websites. Click on this app installer. First of all, here we will get the WordPress. Click on the install button. Click on that install button. It will ask you some information about your website. So I am going to provide some information. I am going to provide the site name. So my site name is Codecraft Academy. Also provide the site description. In my case, this is educational website. Choose the language which is required. In the theme, we do not need to select any theme. We will go with the default theme and then we will add new theme accordingly. Here is the option to add the username. I will put the same username that is used to log in into the control panel. And here is the password. I can copy the same password and will change the later. Then click on the install button. It will take some time and your site will get ready. Wait for a few minutes. Yes. So now we will click on the link and see what happened. This was our website. Now click on the link and hit the enter. Our website first page is ready. We need to log in into our site, need to make required modifications. Click on this link or copy this link and paste here. you will see this is the address of your website and wp-admin. When you will hit this, it will ask you about the username and password that we have created previously. So for that, I am going to copy this username and paste here and going to provide the password. You can click on this button for login later, or you can directly hit the login button. I am going to hit the directly login button. It will land on this WordPress admin panel. From here you can manage your website. First of all, we will update the appearance of our website, look and feel. Click on the appearance, click on the themes and click here add new theme. I am going to search for other themes. Type Astra here and you will get this theme. Click on install this theme. It will take some time to install into your system, then activate it. Find the starter template. Click on the plugins, search for starter template and install it. Once it will install, click on the activate. Starter template has been installed on our website. It will take few minutes, then we have to click on build with templates. Select your required page builder. I will go with Elementor. Here are plenty of themes available which will provide the best look to your website. According to your requirement, you can select template from here. So I am designing a learning website, so I will pick this one. Click on that. Provide a logo to your website. You can select logo or you can search for images. You can upload the logo from your system. I don't want to update any logo. We can select the color. I will go with the default color. We can set the font and click the continue. We can add more features into the website. We can sell the course by using e-commerce. We can add the video player. We can play the YouTube videos. So I will add that. Then continue. Put the first and last name. I am going to put my name here. Going to put the email. Click on the submit button and it will start creating website for you. It will take few minutes and your site will be get ready. After 100% completion, you need to click on view your website. Once you will click here, you will get your website. This is a new website. This is the front view of your website. Now the next task is to update the content of your website. For that, you have multiple options. You can click here on the edit button to edit the text, or you can go back to your control panel. Click here widget dashboard. To change the content of our website, we need to click on the pages. When you will click on the pages, you will see multiple pages here. First of all, we have to change the home page content. Then hover on the home page and click edit with Elementor. It will open a new page and give you the ability to change the text. So your home page is open. If you want to change anything, just click on that and change the text. You can add the categories here and change the name of those categories. After making change in this page, you just need to click on the publish. When you will click on the publish button, it will automatically publish your content to the website. Now refresh your website. Your new text will come here. In the same way, you can add the other information, or you can click here. You can change the about us information from here. You can update the text. If you want to add more information here, you can add that. Like if you want to add a video section here, you can just drag and drop and it will add a video section here like this. So this is, if we will go to our website and go to the about page, you will find the video here. You can click on this and it will start playing. We have multiple basic tools and layouts available here. You can add whatever you want. In the next tutorial, we will work on how to create the page and add more pages in your WordPress website. Thank you.